Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Citi Credit Monitoring, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Citi Credit Monitoring website. If you don't have a Citi account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Create a username and a secure password for your new account. Read the terms and conditions, and click on the checkbox to agree. Submit your information to create your account. Once your account is created, log in using your new username and password. Navigate to the Credit Monitoring section on your dashboard. Select the option to enroll in Citi Credit Monitoring. Review the features and benefits offered with the service. Click on the Enroll Now button to proceed. You may need to verify your identity via a text message or email. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will gain access to the credit monitoring features. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with your credit report and alerts. Adjust your notification preferences according to your needs. Review your credit score and monitoring updates regularly. Keep your login credentials safe for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.